Hello again, and welcome to our look at the Monday, December 15th trading session. I have the economic calendar as per usual in front of you. Really not a whole lot to focus on. Maybe industrial production being the one outlier out of the United States. At this point in time, we think it's going to be more or less a technical day. And as we get close to the Christmas holiday, of course, liquidity starts to thin out. So it's very likely that we just kind of bounce around. So with that, let's take a look at some charts. You can see that the S&P 500 got absolutely pounded during the session on Friday. Really, with this, it looks like there's probably some more profit-taking continuation going on. We would consider buying puts on very short-term charts, but truthfully, we're going to try to find some type of support in this area is what we anticipate given enough time. So pay attention to the daily close, but in the short term, you might be able to pick up a few dollars here and there buying puts. Looking at the euro dollar, you can see that we climbed a bit during Friday, but still have issues at the 125 level. That being the case, it looks as if it's an area where we could find sellers, and with that, we would be buyers of puts on signs of weakness. No interest whatsoever in buying calls. 126 remains pretty resistive above as well. With that, we feel the trend will continue over the next several weeks. Keep in mind, though, again, liquidity will be an issue. Looking at the gold markets, we're starting to see a little bit of a fight here at 1220. Really, I think we're going to range in this area, so perhaps short-term charts might be used to trade between the 1220 and 1240 handles. At this point in time, it's kind of difficult to imagine a major move right before the holidays, so looking at very short-term charts for both put and call buying opportunities in this little bit of a range that we see presently. And in the FTSE, you can see that we fell apart during the session on Friday as we continue to grind towards the 6,200 level. Somewhere in this area, we would anticipate a bit of a dead cat bounce, but really we're going to step back. We're going to wait for that rally and start buying puts again. And with that, we've looked at the December 15th trading session.